How do you verify your age on Discord, and what is this new age verification? So Discord is rolling out a new verification process next month globally, and this update will assume everyone is a teen. So you should be able to use Discord normally, but only you won't be able to access age restricted channels and such stuff on Discord. And if you do, only then you'd have to complete the verification process, which will require a complete face scan or upload of your government ID so that they can make sure you're an adult and you can access these channels or that content. And as they clarified here, the vast majority of people can continue to use Discord exactly how they did without ever being asked to confirm their age. And I believe they're going to be using AI to kind of automatically determine the user age based on their activity on Discord. And as they said here, for the majority of adult users, they should be able to confirm your age group using existing info they have about you from your account and based on your usage of the application. And again, I believe they're going to use AI for this right here, and it might get um, false positives about adults being teen and restrict them and require verification again. So to re-verify your account and confirm your age again is it's pretty simple. You just need to do a facial scan where the Discord app will guide you through what to do exactly. It's mostly taking a selfie and rotating your head and then basically scanning your government ID and uploading a picture, which they claim here is going to be used for age verification and then get deleted. And hopefully it doesn't get leaked like the last time. And if you refuse to verify or upload your ID to complete the verification, you're simply stuck with the teen experience and you can't access any adult stuff, which is actually not a problem if you're using Discord normally just to talk and game with your friends and the regular stuff. So as long as you're not using it for that weird stuff, you shouldn't even worry about this update because it's mainly targeting the safety of children. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful and see you on the next one.